Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the fonts and background color of a cell in Excel. So let's go. So when you receive a data in Excel or somebody shares data with you, you mostly receive data something like this, where you will have your data columns overlapping. Nothing is highlighted. You don't know whether these are headers or not. But once you go through this data or the data which you receive from somebody else, you know that this row 1 is the header and these are values. Now whichever is these values, it pertains to something. It gives you some sense about data. So based on your requirement, you highlight the columns or you highlight the rows, right? So first of all, if this is the header, in my previous videos you have seen that I have highlighted the headers as a background color as red and the font color as white, right? To give some importance to this row number 1. This means when I'm highlighting this values, this means that this is header. Below it, it's the values for this corresponding headers, right? Now how can I change the background color of this header? First, I need to select the range of cells for which I want to change the background color. Then under this home tab, I'll have to go to this as fill color. I'll click on it. Then based on my requirement, I can change the background color. So as earlier we have used the red color, right? So I'll be using red here only. But if you want to choose your own color which is not present here in the theme color or the standard color, then you can click on more colors. Here you will have a lot of options or different shades of the color. If you again you want to do some changes, or if you want to create your own color, you can go to custom. Then either you can put here the codes, which is RGB codes or the hex code for the color, or you can select it based on your requirement, lower to higher, or I can say lighter to darker, lighter to darker. Now as I don't need this custom colors, I need my headers to be red in background. Now when I selected red, you can see that by default when you have data in Excel or you copy pasted data in Excel, it will always takes the black color. And the reason behind it, because the Excel sheet is white in its background, right? So it gives black as a background color for your values. Now if you want to change the font color of this, you need to again go to home tab. Then within this you will see this font color. You need to select on this small drop down and then you can change the font color. For example, I want to change it to white, so that on red background white will be appearing in a more better way. So I selected white, right? Now I'll just increase the size of this header with this font size increaser. I'll increase it, and then I can align it in middle and justify the header as a center. So now you can see that my header looks much more better as compared to earlier, where I was unable to figure out that whether the row 1 is a header or it's a normal data set. So this is how we basically highlight a particular column or highlight or change the font colors of a cell. It totally depends upon you whether you want to change the color which is provided in the themes color or in the standard color, or you want to create your own color. So whenever you go to a particular color, Excel will provide you the view of that. So for example, if I'm changing it to black, you can see that the header font changed to black. If I change it to white, oh sorry, if I go to white, it will change to white. If I go to blue, it will change to blue. So we have reached at the end of this video.
Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.